Hi, I'm going to walk you through how to update your fitness log for middle school PE courses. To get started, you're going to want to sign in to your student portal. So you're going to go to the CalPAC website, click on Student and Parent Login, and then choose your school from the left-hand side. Enter in your username and password. And hit log in. And then instead of going right into your courses, you're going to go ahead and choose Activities Log from the choices down right underneath where it says Online Curriculum Connect. Choose Activities Log. And you're going to change your log type from Write-in Learning Log to Write-in PE Log. If you need to make any adjustments for the date, let's say you're going back and updating your fitness log for a past learning period, you can choose learning periods from this drop down here, and that will let you go back and update any dates you are missing. Once you have this information all set, go ahead and click on Review Log, and you can scroll down and see you now have boxes where you can enter in your PE activity. Now, all middle school students need 40 minutes of PE activity each day, and you have to use fitness language. That means you have to put in the physical activity, whatever it might be: walking, running, sports, yoga, swimming, dance, lifting weights, running on the treadmill, whatever it might be. Make sure it's in sports language, physical activity language, and do not put anything extra in there like who you did it with, where you went, things like that. Leave all of that information out. It should just be the activity and then the time spent. And again, you need 40 minutes of PE activity. So to do this, you're going to just go ahead and write in your box. You can put in something such as walking, and then the time spent. So you'll see that there's 0, 0, 0 over here. You're going to erase the last two zeros and just put in the minutes. You spent 40 minutes on that. If you did spend an hour, you can erase this and put 1 for hours. You can see attendance hours over here though. This is where you're going to log in the time spent. Once you have all of your information in there, you're going to go ahead and scroll up and find the Save Changes button. Hit Save Changes. You should see a green, your log entries have been saved. And you can always scroll down and see, okay, look, I have walking and I have my time over here, 40 minutes. And you'll just repeat that for every day. And remember, you need 40 minutes of PE activity, and that entry should be in physical fitness language: walking, running, sports, whatever it might be. It needs to be in physical activity language, and leave out any of the extras. If you have any questions, just let your teacher know.